Hi, this is Lickton to the Belts Plus. Today we have a 2019 Kia Sportage, stock number 6100. This ran from the 10th 2015 to the 08 2021. It has a G4NA 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NA 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Left front guard no dents. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate no dents. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Center console lid. Automatic gear shifter. Heater AC controls. Factory touchscreen stereo. Interior mirror. Front courtesy light for sunglass holder. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Factory 3-spoke leather steering wheel. Instrument cluster.